Once you click on the link to GoAnimate, this is a screen that will be displayed on your computer. It is necessary for you to sign up first, so you'll need to create your account. You'll need to put in your email address, the display name that you want to be displayed on your account, the password that you want to create, and then you'll need to confirm the password. You'll also need to agree to the terms of use, and then you'll click on Create My Account. In my case, I've already gone ahead and created an account so I can log in. When you create your account, you will be sent an email that will prompt you to authenticate your account with your email address. This is for your protection. It's to make certain that someone didn't hijack your email and using your email account without your permission. So I will go ahead and sign in under my name. One thing you should note is that there are 3 options here. They show spin a election skit, shoot a movie, or build a character. You'll get into more depth when you go in and start exploring GoAnimate. So when you click on Login, and this is the box that will come up after you have received your email to authenticate your account. So you put in your email account, you put in your password, and then click on Login. So after you've logged in, the first screen that comes up is the screen that gives you the quick apps. These are the templates that you can use to create the type of video that you want based on those selections that I've given you in the assignment sheet. So, for example, if I want to go ahead and do the election 2012, which seems to be pretty appropriate, I can go ahead and select this particular template. As you noticed across the top, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What that means is that this can be created in basically 4 steps. So I click on Go to start out with, and then I can select a setting for my political skit, and it gives me some topics here to talk about: a talk show, situation room, network news, the park, the pub, things like that. So I would select from one of those and just determine which one I want to do. I would probably select the debate stage. So I click Next. Then it allows me to select the candidates for the debate. So I can drag my characters in, and you can see I can have up to 4 characters here. Then I click Next. Now, if you noticed here, they give you Republicans and Democrats and others. So they really do make it really a good forum for your students to understand and learn about politics and the election process. So if I click Next, then I can type in or record my dialogue. Obviously, I can record my dialogue if I use a recording device. If I'm typing this in, then I need to have my text or my script written out ahead of time. So I can switch actors, do whatever I need to do. I can go ahead, and as you see, there's a voice recording. All you have to have access to is to have a microphone that's plugged in, or if you're using your computer that has a built-in microphone. If you have a webcam, it automatically has a built-in microphone. You can go ahead and click on recording. So after I've put together my script and I've typed it in, or I've recorded it, or both, which actually I would recommend both because we do have different types of learners, I will click Next. It allows me to preview my video, which gives me the opportunity to go back and edit it, change it if I don't like the way that it is displaying, or if maybe after I've reviewed it I find that there's some other information I want to include in the video. So it takes basically minutes. And now it goes into creating, showing what it looks like in here. This is a 19-second video, obviously not very much. So if I like it, then I would click on Save Now. I have to give it a title, so I'll just call it Election Test, and then I can give it a description. Now you have two options. Right now with GoAnimate, you can publish and export to YouTube as part of their free package. Typically, publishing to YouTube is what they consider to be one of the pro versions, but if you already have a YouTube account, you can do that without having it be promotional option. I'm going to select Publish to GoAnimate because I want you to see some of the options that you have in publishing to this particular site. So it takes a couple minutes for it to publish, and then it's going to ask me to go here. So if I click on that, or basically copy it, I could post that to the website, which is one of the requirements. You need to go ahead and post your video to your website, and then the link, you upload that to the assignment link. Or again, you can go ahead and export it to YouTube. So once you've created your video, you can always go back and retrieve it under your username and under your videos, which is where I'm at right now. I have 3 videos that I was creating just to see which one I wanted to use. There, like I said, you can do as many as you want to, and you can go ahead and share it through basically Facebook, Twitter. You can do it on Tumblr. There's always going to be the URL that's associated with your video, or you can probably embed it into your website. So if you have any questions, either text me, email, call, or stop by my office. Hope you have fun with this emerging technology.